Now I thought phylum Mollusca. Just you remember each phylum have one organism. Familiar organism you have to find out. So phylum Mollusca. Phylum Mollusca you have to find out this familiar animal Natha. Okay? So phyla. Phyla. Did you understand? Do you see for that this in the phyla? Nothing in Patrika. So what is the structure of that this phyla? It is a soft structure. Okay, it is a soft structure to tentacles or here. So this is that structure of that the phylum Mollusca. So Mollusca is a soft bodied. Okay, soft bodies. Molluscus means soft bodies. It is the second largest animal phylum. Second largest animal phylum. It is the terrestrial aquatic species or here. So next one it is that bilateral symmetrical. So next one it is the gyroblastic animals, coelomate animals. The body is covered by this calcium. The body is made up of this calcium and head, muscular foot and visceral clump and visceral mass. Visceral clump means you see that. So visceral clump. Okay, this is one it is. So this is that visceral clump. Okay, this one it is visceral clumps and two in the origin from that the in the head. Okay, that is that visceral organs. Okay, visceral organs. It's like a tentacles. Okay. Next one it is a terrestrial and aquatic animals. So the bilateral symmetrical it will be absorbed. It is a gyroblastic animals, coelomate animals. So the body is made up of this calcium. The body is made up of this calcium. Okay. So it will be unsegmented one. That is an unsegmented one, but it will having for this distinguished head. Okay. Distinguished head. Next one. Muscular foot and visceral clump. Okay, this one it is the visceral clump. This is the visceral clump. Good. And it is made up of this skin is the skin made up of this calcium. That's why it is called as mantle. Okay. So gills are present. Number of feather like gills are present. So respiratory function. So the gills will be. What is the function of the gills? So respiration it followed by this gills. So digestive system is complete digestive system and rasping organs is called radula. It transfers rows of chitinous teeth for feeding that food. So next one is the sense organ is tentacles. The sense organ is tentacles. The sense organ is tentacles. Tentacles and eyes and ovidium, right? And this ovidium. So this is that excretory organs or the nephridia. Excretory organ is nephridia. Open type of circulatory system is except in cephalopods such as squids, cuttlefish, octopus. So blood contains hemocyanin. So special character is hemocyanin. This phylum only having for this hemocyanin. Hemocyanin means it contains copper. The blood contains copper. Okay. So the blood contains this copper. So that copper it will be used as a respiratory pigment. So it is a dioecious and also this oviparous animals. It is a direct development is indirect. So indirectly developed organisms. Vagular larva. The larva is Valiger larva. Okay. So the example is phyla, octopus and squid and oyster. Okay. So mollusca, just to remind for that this mollusca you have to remind for this phyla. So என்ன வரணும் உனக்கு molluscaனாலே என்ன ஞாபகம் வரணும் நத்தை. Okay. Snail. It is a soft body in stature. Okay, it is a soft body in stature. Second, okay, second largest Animal phylum, second largest animal phylum. Mostly it will be aquatic and terrestrial, bilaterally symmetrical, triboplastic animals. Okay. Coelomate animals. Okay, triboplastic and coelomate animals. And the body is covered by this calcium. We call it as mantle. So the body is distinct regions are your head, muscular foot and visceral humerus. Okay. So the soft layer we called out of this mantle. Okay. So the mantle is made up of this calcium. So that the mantle having cavities here, the cavity the cavity is having for that the gills, feather like gills is present. It is used in the respiratory system. It is used in this respiration. Okay. So next, rasping organ called this radula. Rasping organ is called this radula. Digestive system is complete. Digestive system is complete. So there is a special character is hemocyanin. The blood contains hemocyanin. So the blood having this copper pigments. That pigments copper only that respiratory pigment of the phylum Mollusca. It is a dioecious plant animal. It is a veliger larva formed indirectly. Veliger larva formed indirectly. Next one, phylum Echinodermata. Phylum Echinodermata. Echnos means spiny, dermis means skin. Echnos means spiny, dermos means spin. So it is a marine animal, radially symmetrical. It is a marine animal, radially symmetrical. Just to remind for this Echinodermata, starfish. Yeah, starfish, brittle star, and sea cucumber, sea urchin, starfish. So it is a bilateral symmetrical. It is a bilateral symmetrical. So the mesodermal cells, it is this body is made up of this calcareous astrals. So that's why the name is Echinodermata. Spine-like structures. So you see for this the starfish, this is spine-like structures are here. Okay. So the most distinguished features of Echinodermata are water vascular system, or amphibolic system with 2 feet or podia. That is the T feet. That is the 2 feet. Or amphibolic system is separated for that. Okay. So it will be helpful for that in the locomotion, capture and transport the food and respirations. Everything it followed by that in the water vascular system or 2 feet. Okay. So next one is the digestive system is complete with mouth and ventral side, anus on the dorsal side. Mouth in this side, ventral side, anus in the dorsal side. Anus in the dorsal side. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is external. Fertilization is external. So next one is the development is indirect. Development is indirect. Free swimming larval forms. Symmetrical larval forms are here. So high, you have to the best. The specialized character of the Echinodermata is regeneration. High power of regeneration. So you have to easily find out of that the high regeneration capacity in phylum Platyhelminthes. Phylum Platyhelminthes is some species like Planaria, so the high regeneration capacity. It's similar to that when compared to the Echinodermata, high regeneration, it will be remarked in this that all the species. Or you understand? So phylum Echinodermata, echno means spiny, is a spiny in structure. Okay. So the body is made up of this calcium. The body is made up of this calcium. It is a marine one. So a bilateral symmetrical one, radially symmetrical. But with the adults, it is a radially symmetrical, and larva is bilateral symmetrical. So one of the important character is water vascular system. So it will helpful for this locomotion, transport of this food and respiration. So excretory organs are absent. absent. Nervous system and sensory organs are poorly developed. Poorly developed. Circulatory system is open type without heart and blood vessels. Starfish என்ன கிடையாது, heart கிடையாது. Okay, heart வந்து கிடையாது. So next one it is, so highly remarkable one of regeneration. Starfish. Okay, you know this regeneration means losing of this body parts, particular period it will be produced. Okay, so next one it is phylum Chordata. Hemichordata. Phylum Hemichordata. Hemichordata means it will be in between characters of that the invertebrates as well as chordates. That is the Hemichordata. That's why that phylum it is called as Hemichordata. இதில் பாதியும் அதில் பாதியும் இருக்கும். Subphylum of Chordata. Okay. So phylum consists of small group of worm-like structures. So you see that it is a small worm-like structures are here. So tankworms சொல்லுவாங்களா, நாக்கு பூச்சி அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுவாங்களா, that is tankworms. So they are bilaterally symmetrical one, triboblastic animals, coelomate animals. So this is divided of this the three regions. Divided of this that three region. Anterior proboscis short collar. Okay, and this one it is anterior proboscis. It is a proboscis short collar. Yeah, and long trunk. Okay, it is a long trunk. Long trunk or here is a hemichordate ciliary fleeters. Ciliary fleeters. Circulatory system it is very simple. Open type. Open type respiration. So the heart is present in dorsal side. So gills are present into the pharynx. So excretion by single proboscis glands, that is a glomerulus situated in this that proboscis. That is the head. Nervous system is primitive. Sexes are separate. Sexes are separate. So sexual mode of reproduction it will be followed. External fertilization takes place. Indirect development is here. Twinaria larva. The larva is twinaria. The larva is twinaria larva. Okay. So Manaloclassus, Sacloclassus, Pentaria flava, Indian hemichordate found in this Kurusadai island in Tamil Nadu. Hemichordate means in between of this chordates and invertebrates characters are here. This is a small group of that. It is worm-like structures here. So animals. So again tankworms we called out easily tankworms. This is a bilateral symmetrical one. Triboblastic animals, coelomate animals are here. So that body parts having first three regions. Proboscis, okay, short collar and long trunks are here. Circulatory system is open. Circulatory system is open. Respiration is paired gills. That's called pharynx. Excretion, glomerulus situated in this probiotics. Nervous system it is very primitive. So next one is a reproduction. Asexual reproduction is takes place and also fertilization is external. Indirect development is indirect. Free swimming. Twinaria larva. Twinaria larva.